Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode for your earbuds Edifier NeoDots. And basically we have a few options, is to use an application or use adjusters. And let's get started by use the application. So open Edifier Connect app, and of course you need to add these earbuds here. So at the third line we have game mode. Tap at this line, and to enable it just tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Now we just enable it, and I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time because you may have connection instability. So when you play games, use it, but then I recommend it to turn off it. And to turn off it, we can just tap one time at the slider again, but if the slider have colorful background. Okay, now also we can use adjusters, as I said previous, but we need to set it. So from the main menu in the application, go to the settings at the right top, and at the second line we have control settings. Tap at this line, and now we need to set it. So select firstly the left or right earbud and tap at the best one for you. Let's say I'm going to use the right one. Now in double press we have game mode, in triple press we also have game mode, and we have it for the press and hold. So select the best one for you. I'm going to use double press. Just tap at the game mode, and now we will enable or disable game mode with the double press on the right earbud. Now let's check it right here in the application. So this is my right earbud. I will put it to my ear. The touch area is located on the side, and let me put it to my ear and press 2 times. 1, 2, and as you can see, we have on, and also I hear voice prompt that said game mode on. Now let's press 2 times again, and we just turn off it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.